Ever notice that the world is full of problems? Some problems are huge: climate change, healthcare, traffic congestion. Others are much smaller, like misplacing your keys. For the third time this week, when most people face a problem, they do what seems logical. They immediately start looking for solutions. People keep misplacing their keys. Easy. Make brighter keys, bigger keys, smarter keys, keys that practically file a missing person report on themselves. But what if we're solving the wrong problem? That's where design thinking comes in. Design thinking is a human-centered approach to innovation that starts somewhere surprisingly simple, with people. Instead of asking, "What solution should we build?" design thinkers ask, "Who are we helping?" The first step is empathy. We observe, we listen, we ask questions. And sometimes we discover that the problem isn't what we thought it was. People are misplacing their keys. But why? Maybe they're always rushing out the door. Maybe they don't have a designated place to keep them. Maybe the real issue isn't the keys at all. Maybe it's the habit around them. Once we understand people, we define the real challenge, not the symptom, the root cause. Then comes ideation, generating lots of possible solutions. The obvious ones, the creative ones, even the slightly ridiculous ones. Sometimes the weird ideas lead to the best breakthroughs. Next, we build simple prototypes, not polished masterpieces. Just enough to learn. Because talking about ideas is easy, testing them is better. Then we put those ideas in front of real people. And reality gives us feedback. Lots of feedback. So we learn. Then we improve. And we test again. And each cycle gets us closer to a solution people actually need. That's design thinking, a simple but powerful way to solve problems, not by starting with technology, not by starting with assumptions, but by starting with people. Because the best solutions begin when we truly understand the people we are designing for. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more ideas, stories, and practical insights on innovation. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll never miss a future video.